Okay, question 2. In many ways like question 1, except we're not interested in whether it's infinite or finite. And here we're just interested in what the rule is, whether it's arithmetic or geometric and what the rule is. So let's take a look at the first one here, from 5 to 10, 10 to 50. And by the way, sorry, we're going to do them all again here because these are very quick questions. From 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Okay. Notice that it's not a multiple, because if it was a multiplication, I'd go 5 to 10, then I would go 10 to 20. So this has got to be arithmetic. And what I'm doing here is I'm adding 5. For question B, okay, right below it, we're going 5, 10, 20. Okay, that is multiplication, because I can see to go from 5 to 10, multiply by 2, 10 to 20, multiply by 2. So this is geometric, and the rule here is multiply by 2. For question C, we're going 4,050, 1,350, 450. Now, it's the fact that the drop here seems to be so dramatic here. What we're going to do here is we're just going to take out, I'm going to pull up my calculator here, and we're just going to investigate what's going on. So I've got the Inspire here. That's certainly not subtraction, because the difference between those two is obviously greater than the difference between those two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try division. We're going to try 1350 divided by 4,050. Okay, and I get 1/3. 450 divided by 1,350. So I'm comparing the first two terms and comparing the next two terms. But remember, I always take the second term divided by the first, or the third term divided by the second. And I get 1/3. So because it's the same result for both of those, I can tell that this is geometric. Okay, and what we're doing here now is we are dividing, well, okay, I shouldn't say it. We're dividing by 3, or better stated, we are multiplying by 1/3. For this next one here, and for this one here I won't need a calculator, because to go from 100 to 250, I mean, I could either think of this as adding 150, which doesn't work for the next step here, but I can see here that what I multiplied this by here was 2.5. Okay, so 2.5. Now I'm just going to double check this. 250. Whoops. Whoa. 250. And I did it wrong again. Times 2.5. Oh, and I do get 625. So it's this constant multiple to go up there. So this is geometric. And what I'm doing is I'm multiplying by 2.5, or 5 halves, if you want to think of it that way. 25, 18, 11. Okay, 11 is a little bit of an awkward number here. So let's just check addition here. So to go from 25 to 18 would be to subtract 7. 18 to 11 is subtract 7. So this is arithmetic. And the rule is we are going to subtract 7. From 60 to 80 to 320 over 3. Now that certainly looks geometric to me. But let's just check it out here. Let's try 80 divided by 60. Okay, and that is going to end up being 4/3. And so let's just check and see this. 320 over 3 divided by 80. Okay, so let's try this on the calculator. 320 divided by 3. I got to get out of there, and then divide by 80. And you do in fact get 4/3. So that is geometric. And what we're doing in every case here is multiplying by 4/3.